All right, so we're going to do the shutters for the Hurricane. Am I rolling? So we got to pull these together here, and then you want to pinch them. If you go like this, it won't work. So you got to get a pinch, and then push them in. And then you got to kind of make sure that these are all even and extended. Okay. All right. So this is the thing that we use, and we put the screw there, and then we slide it over, and then it gets caught in the channel. So what I got to do is get it right on there, and then I got to line up the other ones. So I got to pull this a little bit this way. There. And this one is just about not wanting to go in. There we go. Now we got them all in there. So this I got to pull out. All right, let me grab my screwdriver. You're going to need a screwdriver. So you got to get a screwdriver so that this pops out. Like that. Now when I slide it over, sometimes it gets caught. There we go. Now we're good. Now we can screw these down. And luckily these aren't, you don't need to nice and tight, right? And this one's going to be okay too.
Fuck, I knew it. Mosquitoes were all over me. I was like, I don't see any, but.
All right, how do we do?
Good.
Step back and should I put one here? I can drive a driver in there.
No, look. Doesn't move.
I can,
Okay, I'm not standing here anymore.
and so I'm putting this in here like this, right? I'm just going to go ahead and tighten this down. That's it. But that'll give it a little bit of a hold. Maybe that's not going to work. Should I take it out?
I don't know. It's fine. Leave it. It's fine.
All right, we're going to leave it. All right. Oh, check out my thing here. See that? Ta-da!